Hello dosto, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we are basically discuss about HTML interview questions, and this interview questions is basically entry level for freshers only. Okay, so now let's get start. So our first question is, how do you make a website link? So, your answer, you wrap text or an image with a special code like this. This is called basically anchor tag. Sorry, there is a mistake. Basically, this anchor tag is right in front of href. Okay, so then anchor tag href is equal to www.google.com, and then Google, then anchor, close the anchor tag. Okay, so this is basically to create a clickable link. Just imagine a magic label that takes you somewhere when you click it. Okay, so next question is, what does HTML code look like? So HTML code uses tags like paragraph, p for paragraph, or image for img for image, to define content and its presentations. Imagine it as instruction for displaying website elements. Okay, so next question is, how do you create a simple web page? So you can write basic HTML code in a text editor is like notepad, VS code. Okay, and save it with a .html extension that is necessary. Okay, then open the file in a web browser to see your web page come to life. Okay, next question, what is the difference between HTML and CSS? So HTML defines the structure and content of a web page, while CSS controls the styling aspects like font, color, layout. Okay, so basically think of HTML as the skeleton and CSS as the clothing for a web pages. Okay, next question is, how do you add an image to a web page? Okay, so basically use the img tag with a src attribute that specifies the image location, and it's like telling the browser where to find the picture. For example, image src, then image.jpg. So image.jpg is your image location, and then alt, and then my picture. Okay, next question is, what's the difference between ul and ol tags? So both create lists. Okay, but ul makes unordered lists. List, it means in bullet points. Okay, while ol, it means ordered list, creates ordered list in numbers like 1 2 3 4 a b c d. Okay, this type roman number. Next question is, what's the benefit of using comment in HTML code? So comments are notes for yourself or other reading the code. Explain with tags. They don't affect how the web page looks, but help understand the code logic. Okay, so next question is, how do you create a hyperlink that opens in a new tab or a window? So add the target is equal to blank, the attribute within the opening anchor tag. This tells the browser to open the link web page in a separate tab or window. Get it? Next is, what's the difference between an H1 tag or a B tag? Okay, so B, it means bold. So both can make text bold. Okay, but they have different purpose. H1 to H6 are heading tags used for titles and subtitles with decreasing size and importance, but bold simply makes text bold, but emphasis, not necessarily a heading. I hope you get it, that's the difference between heading tag and the bold tag. Okay, okay, chalo. Next question is, how can you control how wide an image displays on your web page? So the image tag has a width attribute where you specify the desired width in pixels. For example, this. Image src, image.jpg is your image location, alt my picture, and then width. Okay, width is basically set by you. Okay, so you are free whatever you set. Okay, so next question is, what are some common ways to create a web page layout? So HTML offers element like div tag and span tag for creating section and inline elements. You can also use tables, though less common now for basic layout. Okay, so this is the last question for this video, and in my next video I will make more and more interview questions for fresher level. Okay, and yeah dosto, one more important thing is that I was already completed basically 2 videos, okay, in HTML interview questions and answer. So if you don't watch that video, so watch it. Okay, then okay, so bye bye dosto.